Hi guys, Joseph here. Today we're doing another Joseph car video, and today we're doing another video on my 2002 Volvo V70, and this is episode 2 of the interior swap. And in this video we're going to be replacing the rear door card. I'm going from a full black leather interior to a black and white leather interior. So I'm going to have white seats with still the black dash and all that. So we're going to be, this episode, we're going to be replacing the rear door card. This is episode 2. So let's get down to the car right now. Right guys, to replace the rear door panel, this is super easy. Probably even someone with no knowledge could probably do this job. Let's give it a nail in there, give it a bit of a pry. There you go. That reveals a Torx 25. I could do this in a matter of minutes. Like 11 o'clock at night I did one night. Just take it on and off quickly. Now off at the side. Got these push pin clips that you just push back. I just use a Torx piece for that. Then use the ears on your trim tool to pull them out. There's ones further down. Right guys, got all the push pin clips out. You can push the lock rod down, flick the door catch in, push down the lock rod and just lift up the door panel. There you go. You can pull out the door handle cable. Disconnect the electrical connector. There's a little tab I can't actually fit in here to get it undone, so I've just got to get. Sorry you can't see. I'm gonna wreck this door card here. There you go. Now we're out of it. There you go. Right guys, I've got the trim off of that one, the aluminum trim. I personally think it looks okay, but it's a bit scratched up. I prefer the wood, but this ain't terrible. This is like brushed aluminum. But the reason one of them's really dented, and then I thought I can't have one silver and some wood, some silver. It's just gonna look odd. So, well, that's why I've got this one. This is the type of trim I got, which is this wood. It's a dark wood. I don't like the really oak wood, but it's a matter of taste at the end of the day. Well, anyway, let's get this one undone. And see how well this comes off. It's coming off relatively. I've had this one off before, to be honest, because I did fit this one a few years ago, so this trim actually did come off the original. I'm gonna put you on time lapse. once all that is undone, guys, this trim will pull through. So if you start pulling it, you might want to push through behind a bit. There you go. Once you get it started, it'll sort of all follow through. To hold out the handle, keep the handle held out, and keep the handle, and there it is. Now what we're going to do is transfer that to our other door panel, which is the one on the top of the bed over there. Now we transfer it to this one. Right. All pushed down. Now this is easy. Not this end. The end we're working with is this end. Now to push in, it's easier said. Easier said. A lot easier than taking out. I'm gonna mount you here. So it's a matter of, doesn't have to be tight. Okay, that's one, and I'll just put you in the time lapse as I do this. Now, this is all ready to be fit back to the car, all secure. Here we go, that's right. All ready to be put back in the car, all secure. That looks so nice. That's going to look even better in the car. Right guys, we're back to the car. We're going to push this interior back together. Push that in, connect the door handle cable. Line the lock rod up. There we go. Then with these push pin clips, you slot them out, slot them in. There you go. going to have to try and lift up and try and lift it. Down there. There we go. The final to go in is the Torx 25 screw. It should line up. There you go. It needs to be snug. They didn't supply these with it, so that's just going to go in there for now. There you go. That'll do. Well, basically, now guys, we're going to pause and go off and end off this video. Right guys, we're going to end off this video, and this is episode 2. Episode 3 will be how to replace the front seat. That will be out in 2 weeks from now. And so far this has been quite easy, guys, I'm going to say. But anyway, the next one is going to be how to replace the seat. I'm actually fitting facelift seats, so I'm sort of going to explain how I adapted facelift seats to fit a pre-facelift. But anyway, we're going to end off this video, and if you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, as that helps YouTube recommend my content. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content like this. Share this video with your family and your friends, and have a nice day.